Hi there, my name is Lars Sorensen, and you're watching this video because you want to know what's going on at the Future Technology Conference. And I can tell you what's going on. We're going to interview yet another attendee, Professor Safwan Omari from the Lewis University, who sent in a paper, got admitted, doing a presentation here, and we just like to know a little bit more about the paper that had the title "Enabling Empirical Research: A Corpus of Large-Scale Python Systems." So. Python has been getting a lot of traction in the industry.
Exactly. Yeah.
And tell us a little bit more about how you were enabling empirical research with that.
Thank you for this opportunity. Glad to be here. This paper is about creating some sort of a data set for Python project. As you mentioned, Python is really picking up steam in the industry. It's becoming one of the mainstream languages in all of application domains. Web development, data science, pretty much all of the mainstream application domains. So in this work is trying to kind of create this data set of projects where other people, including myself, can use it to collect different metrics, validate hypotheses about the language, the development environment. Based on my experience with industry, the Python development community, actually, they are very kind of passionate about the coding styles, the standards. Based on my experience, I have been into, meetings where, the team, maybe 4 or 5 people, spend more than 30 minutes, debating how a piece of software should be written.
That's it. Yeah, there was no standard, maybe.
Yeah, so I mean, they feel really good about about the way the code should be actually done. This is where maybe the academia can help with collecting metrics, do some empirical research, trying basically to validate some of those assumptions or kind of refuting, because it does really take a lot of the team effort. So this is kind of, what I'm trying to do with this kind of research.
Well, great. And then obviously you're presenting it here amongst a group of people that might be familiar with Python,
Yes.
might not be familiar about the application that you're
Yes.
offering in this. So what are the reactions that you're getting? Because we have a lot of informed people here.
Yes, I mean, I see a lot of people in here with data science background, and Python is very, very kind of popular in that space. They feel really good about, the research, especially about, focusing on empirical research with Python. It's kind of, it has more value to the industry. And, in computer science in general, in the IT field, we are, really driven by industry most of the time. So
yeah.
It's kind of, a way for the academia to get out of their own bubble and try to do something with bigger impact.
That's it. Yeah, I also saw I guess some of this as an example in the keynote that we had from Amazon. Did you connect to that?
Yeah, but definitely. I mean, so what they have there is like they're trying to provide different environments where it kind of makes the transition between your own environment, development environment, into an actual deployment, larger scale deployment, kind of easy. So definitely focuses on the kind of standard ways of doing code, make it kind of less problematic once you push it somewhere, and easier for others kind of to understand what you're doing.
Yeah, I guess there's a lot to be won if we look at the possibilities then that in this case Python systems are offering. And then just to know a little bit about your own experiences here at the conference. So how has it been working out for you?
Yeah, it's actually been excellent experience. To be honest with you, I mean I'm impressed with the quality level. I'm gonna kind of be frank. I wasn't expecting this. I mean, it's a lot more than what I initially thought. This is my first year with FTC, and I think probably it's not gonna be the last.
Well, good to hear that, and thank you so much for just sharing a brief idea about the paper. Obviously, we always hope with these videos to trigger our video audience to go and check out the entire paper. If this speaks out to you, please check it out. We'll have the proceedings available for you on our website. And obviously, we also hope that we trigger you to join us at one of our conferences. Dates and locations will be available on the website as well to meet you. And as you can tell by this video, meet our wonderful attendees like Professor Omari. Thank you so much for being with us. And obviously we want to thank you for watching this video, and hopefully we'll see you in the next.